This is just me. I don't lie. I haven't got a fucking alibi.
Persevere. Keeps me underground. Keeps me distraught.
This is just me. I don't lie. I haven't got a fucking alibi. I lack the skill, but I got the drive. I'm out here, giving it my all. Try to survive. I lack the skill, but I got the drive. This is just me. I don't lie. I haven't got a fucking alibi. Just me, I don't lie. I haven't got a fucking alibi. Don't test me, I'll make you bleed. I'm running out of mercy. I got the will to keep it real. I've got the will.
It's real, and it can't be still.
I got motherfuckers talking shit just because they're fucking jealous. Man, what the fuck? I'm Buckle Mouth Graham, I'm in demand. I bring the supply. It's like they're tested and ran out of fucking luck. It's a little bit too tough. It's just not enough. They're being nested. They're just giving up. Wow.
Grim comes about 420 is about.